The China International Big Data Industry Expo 2023 is underway in China's Guiyang, showcasing the country's latest achievements in the big data industry and promoting relevant business exchanges. The three-day event, which kicked off Friday, focuses on integrating big data and the real economy and the future role of cloud computing. According to the organizer, besides sub-forums, the event also hosts industry competitions and an offline exhibition with 6 pavilions covering an area of 60,000 square meters.
我感觉这边的世博会就非常有趣，就能看到很多就一些未来的科技，也能就想一想就后来的生活会非常方便。然后在这边也体验了很多项目，我就比较喜欢有一个就无人驾驶的一个小巴，然后就可以做一个咖啡。好惊讶，现在的科技就这么厉害，就是那个镜头一拍我就在不同的环境就在那个电池里边出现，好惊讶！现在就科技发展就这样子的，那肯定生活就会越来越方便。
The expo has been held in Guiyang since 2015 and is the first of its kind in China, forming a communication platform for pivotal achievements in the big data industry. As the country's first national big data comprehensive pilot zone, Guizhou province has been promoting the big data industry as a backbone of its high-quality social and economic development.